Throwback Thursday again today, and I'm going to show you a very rare Sebo. This is a Sebo X4 from 2003, so it's 21 years old, and it's a transparent one. It's a see-through version, and this is one that Sebo used to supply to dealers so they could show people the inner workings of the machine without needing to take it to pieces. Let's have a closer look. So as you can see here the sensor units. You can just see the edge of one of the PCBs inside, the brush rolls inside there. This is old stuff that all the companies that recommend Sebo. It allowed the dealers to demonstrate as well the journey of the muck up the pole, through the hose and down there into the bag. Being a marvellous X4, you'll want to see how it works. The answer will be, of course, superb, but let's get the duo powder out. So Sebo duo powder, let's give it some welly. Like all Sebo X series uprights, it's marvellous. You've never been able to buy this particular version, but we do sell lots of other Sebos, uprights, cylinders, commercial, domestic, floor polishes, everything else. So seboshop.co.uk if you fancy a Sebo.